California's date rape trap, how false accusations ruin lives, and how to fight back.
Imagine this. You meet someone, you both have a few drinks, things escalate, and the next thing you know, you're being accused of date rape. It's a terrifying, life-altering situation, and the consequences can be devastating. Whether you're guilty or not, the accusation alone can destroy your reputation, career, and future. Thanks for tuning into our channel, where we break down the law, expose common misconceptions, and give you the legal insights you need when facing serious charges. Today we're tackling the harsh realities of date rape allegations in California, what they mean, the potential penalties, and most importantly, how you can defend yourself if you find yourself accused. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more legal breakdowns and advice on navigating the criminal justice system. And if you or someone you love is facing charges, don't wait. Contact our office today for a confidential consultation to start building your defense. Now let's get into it. Many people hear the term date rape and wonder how it differs from other types of rape under the law. Legally speaking, rape is defined under Penal Code 261 as non-consensual sexual intercourse achieved through force, violence, duress, or when the victim is unable to consent due to intoxication or unconsciousness. Date rape is charged under the same statute, but it generally refers to situations where the accused and the alleged victim know each other, whether from a date, a party, or any social interaction. And the key issue is whether consent was given. Unlike cases involving physical force or threats, date rape accusations typically rely on claims that the victim was too intoxicated to consent. This distinction matters because consent is often subjective, and cases can hinge on conflicting statements, witness testimony, and forensic evidence. That's why a strong legal defense is crucial. Misinterpretations, false accusations, or a lack of clear evidence can lead to life-changing consequences for the accused. If convicted, you could face up to 8 years in state prison with potential enhancements if aggravating factors are involved. If the alleged victim suffers serious bodily injury or if the case involves a minor, those penalties escalate significantly. Worse still, a conviction could result in mandatory sex offender registration, which can follow you for life, affecting where you can live, where you can work, and even how you interact with your own family. Here's the brutal truth. Many people assume that if they just tell their side of the story, the police or prosecutor will see the misunderstanding and drop the case. That's not how it works. Anything you say can be used against you, and law enforcement is not on your side. Even something as simple as admitting to being at the scene can complicate your case and give the prosecution ammunition. And let's talk about evidence. Many date rape cases rely on witness testimony, forensic evidence, and electronic communications like text messages or social media posts. Did you know that even a misinterpreted text message can be used against you in court? That's why having an attorney who understands how to challenge this evidence is absolutely critical. A strong defense can make all the difference. Some of the key strategies a seasoned criminal defense attorney might use include challenging the evidence. Was there actually proof that the alleged victim was too intoxicated to consent? Are there inconsistencies in their statements? Questioning witness credibility. Were there outside pressures or motivations for making the accusation? Exposing procedural errors. Were your rights violated during the investigation or arrest? Lack of intent. Can the prosecution actually prove that you knowingly engaged in non-consensual activity? Consent as a defense. Was there prior communication or evidence that suggests mutual agreement? Each case is different, and the right defense strategy depends on the specific facts. That's why working with an experienced attorney is crucial. False accusations don't just happen in theory. They've happened to real people, including juveniles and high-profile individuals whose lives were turned upside down by wrongful allegations. There are some well-known cases right here in California that highlight just how devastating and unjust these accusations can be. In 2002, Brian Banks was a 16-year-old high school football star in Long Beach, California, with a promising future ahead. His trajectory took a devastating turn when a classmate falsely accused him of rape. Facing a potential sentence of 41 years to life, Banks accepted a plea deal on the advice of his attorney, resulting in a 6-year prison term. He served over 5 years and was required to register as a sex offender upon release. Years later, his accuser admitted to fabricating the assault, leading to Banks's exoneration in 2012. This miscarriage of justice not only robbed him of his freedom, but also derailed his athletic career. Dana Stubblefield, a former defensive tackle for the San Francisco 49 ERs, was convicted in 2020 of raping a woman he had interviewed for a babysitting job. However, in December 2024, a California appeals court overturned his conviction, citing violations of the California Racial Justice Act due to racially discriminatory statements made by prosecutors during the trial. This ruling highlighted significant issues of racial bias in the legal proceedings. These cases illustrate the profound impact that false accusations and wrongful convictions can have on individuals' lives. They underscore the critical importance of securing experienced legal representation when facing serious charges. If you or someone you know is accused of a crime, it's imperative to consult with a knowledgeable defense attorney to navigate the complexities of the legal system and safeguard your rights. Now, if you find yourself in this situation, there are a few things you absolutely should not do. Don't talk to the police without a lawyer present. You might think you're helping yourself, but anything you say can and will be used against you. Don't try to contact the accuser. Any communication can be twisted and used as evidence of guilt or intimidation. Don't rely on social media to defend yourself. Posting about the case can backfire in ways you can't even imagine. Instead, here's what you should do. Gather any evidence that supports your side of the story. This could include messages, videos, witness statements, or anything else relevant. Contact an experienced criminal defense attorney immediately and follow your lawyer's advice carefully. This isn't the time to take chances. Make no mistake, these cases are complex, emotional, and high stakes. You cannot afford to take a wait-and-see approach. The sooner you have an experienced attorney fighting for you, the better your chances of securing a favorable outcome. We have years of experience defending clients against serious sex crime allegations. We know how prosecutors build these cases, and we know how to dismantle them. If you or a loved one has been accused of date rape, don't try to handle this alone. Call our office today for a confidential consultation. If you're facing charges, don't wait. Reach out to us today. Your future is too important to leave to chance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. We break down complicated legal topics to help you understand your rights and protect your future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and share this video, and for more legal insights, keep watching and subscribe to our channel.